Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. I'm just making with this video to tell you how to deal with to what extent do you agree kind of essay. So without wasting time, let's get started. And I would like to request you before you watch my video till end, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. So let's start. On the screen, you can see a question is written. The government's investment in arts, music, and theater is a waste of money. Government should invest these funds in public services instead. So this is, we can see, this is a question statement. And question is asking to what extent do you agree with this statement? So when you get this type of essay, there are two methods to deal with to what extent do you agree essay. Either you can be completely agree with the statement or you can be completely disagree with the statement. When you choose to be completely agree or disagree with the statement, then it becomes agree disagree essay only. Second option is you can be partially agree with the statement, that you have both views, that government should invest and government should invest funding in public services also. In that case, you can go partially agree. So you can simply write I partially agree or I moderately agree with the statement. When you are choosing option that you completely agree or you are completely disagree, or whether you are partially agree or moderately agree, you need to tell this thing clearly in the introduction itself. You will write the line like this: I completely agree with the statement, I completely disagree with the statement, or I partially agree with the statement. So whatever opinion you choose, accordingly you will write your body paragraphs. So when you are writing to what extent do you agree or do you agree or disagree kind of essay, you should follow the 4 paragraph structure. As we know, the first paragraph is always introduction and then body paragraph 1. If you are completely agree or disagree, then in the body paragraph 1 you will mention the first reason that why you are agree or disagree with the statement. And then in body paragraph 2 you will write the second reason that why you are agree or disagree with the statement. But if you go partially, then simply first body paragraph will talk about the first opinion, that why government should invest money in arts, music, and theater. That what are the benefits of it. But if you go, then in the second body paragraph, you will talk about the second opinion. So in both body paragraphs, you need to discuss both sides of opinion, because in introduction, you told that you partially agree with the statement. And when you are starting your first body paragraph, if you are partially agree, then you can start your body paragraph 1 with the option on the one hand, and second body paragraph can be started with on the other hand. So this is how you can structure your both body paragraphs. Or if you're starting your first body paragraph in a simple way, like to begin with, to commence with, to start with, then you can explain your first body paragraph, and second body paragraph can be started with the linker however, although. So whether you wish to choose completely agree or you want to be completely disagree with the essay, or you go partially, you have to add 2 examples in your essay. So we can say example in each body paragraph is mandatory, and your example should directly support your idea. When you are writing example, words you can use to clarify the example. For example, to illustrate, for instance, these words can be used. And for example, in body paragraph 1 you are starting your example with the word for example. Then just be little conscious in the body paragraph 2, change the word, do not try to use the same kinds of words. In body paragraph 2 you can start your example with the word for instance. And once you have written your body paragraphs, you need to make sure that you write a proper conclusion. Whether you were completely agree, disagree, or you were partially agree with the statement, there should be a proper conclusion. In conclusion, you just need to summarize the main information of your body paragraphs. So I'll just repeat whatever I have explained in this video. If your essay is, to what extent do you agree with this statement? Then you have two methods to deal with this kind of essay. You can be completely agree, you can be completely disagree, or second option, you can be partially or moderately agree with the statement. So which option you should choose, it totally depends upon you, that what do you think, how you can deal with this kind of essay in a better way. So whatever option you have, you think you can explain better, accordingly you should choose the option. So before you take decision that you will go partially agree or you will be completely agree or disagree, you should take time to think the content of your essay, what exactly you are going to write in the body paragraphs. Accordingly you should take decision that you want to be completely agree, disagree, or moderately agree. So it's all about, to what extent do you agree or disagree kind of essay. Soon I will be uploading my videos regarding the structures of other kinds of essays. So get the regular updates. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. And I also provide personal one-on-one coaching and group classes also. In case of any query, you can contact me on my WhatsApp numbers. Numbers are clearly given on the screen. You can call me or you can WhatsApp me as well. Thank you so much. Stay safe in this pandemic situation.